Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today we're going to talk about comments, and last time we talked about indentation. Let's just continue from there. So right-click, new Python file. Let's just name it comments. And again, you don't have to put .py by default. Just having the Python file selected, it'll just automatically create that .py right there. So today I want to talk about comments. So there are multiple ways of writing comments. So the first way you can do is just put this pound or hash sign, and you can just say something like single line comment. There's also a multi-line comment that you can do, and you can do it two ways, right? One of them is just writing this, like, just typing it out. Comment. This is basically the long way of doing things, obviously, because you can see like all of these are comments, but I'm putting it in a different line. A better way to do this thing, right? You can just put 1, 2, 3. So basically having 3 of this single quote, and you can just have this is multi-line comment. Okay. Again, you can just have this as many as you want, as long as it is within this 3 quote. Okay, this 3 quotes right here, and you have one on the top. Another way to do this, same concept, except you have double quotes. Okay, so it's the same thing. It does the same thing as a single quote. This is also multi-line comment. Okay. So this is basically how you write a comment. Again, this is a single line, and this is again just writing comments, but in just multiple lines and having that pound sign or hash sign in the beginning. But if you have multiple line going on, instead of using a single line, you can just put a 3 codes, 3 single code, and you're good to go, or put 3 double code, and you're good to go as well. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Hope this is helpful. If it was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.